Hello friends, welcome back to Writer's Workshop. This week we are working on this learning objective. I can write a personal narrative. Now remember, a personal narrative is a story all about you. And when you write a personal narrative, you should be using the word I, because when you're referring to yourself, you're going to use the word I. So let's take a minute to look at the book that we already started. I've got it right here. It is called About Me because the book's all about me, right? You should already have your front cover done just like I do. And then yesterday you worked on your first page inside your book. So today we're going to go to our next empty page, page 2, okay? Yesterday, Mrs. Gardner wrote, I am a teacher. Now I'm going to continue writing about me, so my sentence is going to start with the word I. And I want to think about something else I could say in my personal narrative. I am a teacher. Oh, I like to read. I could put that in my story. So that's what I'm going to put next. I'm going to use that exact sentence. I like to read. How many words is that? 4. So that's what I'm going to write right here. I like to read. Go ahead and write with a black crayon so that you can see it. And I'm going to change it up a little bit. And I'm going to actually put my words at the top of the page this time. Because sometimes when authors plan pages, we move things around a little bit. And that's okay. So my first word is I. And remember, at the beginning of a sentence, it's always uppercase. What was the next word that I said in the sentence? Like. Like. And I remember like is spelled L-I-K-E. Go ahead and write that. Okay, so I have I like. I don't think I have enough room right here for my next word. So I'm going to move down to my next line. I'm going to return sweep and start writing right here. I like to. That's another sight word. I know how to write to. T-O. Okay, and then my last word, I'm ready for it. The last word is the word read. That is not one of our sight words, so I don't know how to spell that word. So what I'm going to have to do is stretch it out, okay? I'm going to, let's see, say it slowly. Read. At the beginning of read, I heard, did you hear it? Read. I think I know which letter makes that sound. Oh, look, right here on our ABC chart, like for rabbit. So what letter do I need to write? The letter R. Okay, so let me write my R. All right, let's see, I need to figure out what comes next. Read. Do you hear it? I hear E. E. I bet it's probably the letter E. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. Part of stretching out our words is listening for those sounds and then writing whatever we hear. Read. D. The last sound I hear is a D. What letter says D? The letter D, you're right. So let me write the letter D. Okay, I like to read. Well, there's my sentence. I better put a period at the end so we know that we're done. And now it's time for my illustration. I made sure to leave enough room for that. Okay, now this is a story about me, so I'm going to be in my illustration. Let me start with my head. Think about what kind of shape it would be. Probably a circle, right? Put my eyes and my mouth on. I might have to darken my eyes. You can't really see them very well. There we go. Let's see. I'm wearing a purple dress today, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a purple dress so it looks just like I look today. So there's my purple dress. I made it a triangle because I think that's easier than drawing out the whole body. Let's see. I need some arms, right? So here are some arms. And of course, I've got legs. And today I have on some black boots. I look kind of like a snowman. It's kind of silly. Okay, so there's my black boots. And I still need some hair. And since I have long brown hair, that's what you'll see in my illustration. It's kind of fun to draw a picture of yourself because you can think about all the different things. What color your skin is, what color your clothes are, what color your eyes and your hair are. I better put my glasses on. I almost forgot those. Okay, and my sentence says, I like to read. So right here next to me, I'm going to have a whole pile of books that I need to read. A whole pile of books. A yellow book and a green book. I'm even going to have a book in my hand. All right, friends, so right now, I think I'm done with my page. What do you think? I've got my sentence, there's finger spaces, a period at the end, and my picture matches my words. So I think I'm done. I'm ready for my next page, but we're gonna wait until tomorrow to do that. So today, what I want you to do is to get your book that you started. You should have your front cover done and your first page. I want you to do your second page in your personal narrative today. Make sure you take a picture of it and send it to us on Seesaw so we can see your hard work. Okay, have fun writing. Bye.